Everybody, welcome back to my channel, channel 767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed, successful, and wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly, and my YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle, and everything makeup. So today's video is business tip for upcoming makeup artists. Now I've been watching this YouTuber, which is also a makeup artist. Her name is Julie, and then she makes a ton of video of up and coming makeup artists and quite Q&A, etc. And I must admit, she's right. We don't get too much videos about this on here on YouTube. You'll see a lot of makeup application, but to get started on the journey of becoming a successful makeup artist, you don't see too much videos on this. So I decided to join in and start doing some upcoming videos for up and rising makeup artists, or if you're solo entrepreneurship. All right, tip number one, practice. You need to practice on yourself, your family member, and friends. Your friends is not supported, it's okay. Your family member not supported, it's okay. Girl, you have yourself. Everything starts with you. You are your own brand. You are your own solo entrepreneurship. If you want to really get into the makeup business, practice on yourself as much as you can. Just get a stranger and you say, hey, you need to try out this makeup on a completely stranger. It's okay. That's how I had started on friends, family member, and even people I do not know, just to at least have the experience of different skin tone, different skin type, and so much more. You need to practice a lot in order to be confident into doing makeup for other people. Now, tip number two, knowing skin tone and type. And that's what I was telling you about practicing. You need to practice on each skin tone out there. You need to have from light to medium light to deep to dark to deep is deep. And it go. What did I say? Deep is what? Sorry about that. So I mean to say deep is deep, okay? You need to try different skin tone in order to know the foundation application, because if you keep on trying out different foundation routines on different skin type, then you can just look at a client and you already know what foundation she used. And if you do not have that foundation, it's okay. You can make your own foundation, meaning like you can mix your own foundation from a light to a medium, which is close to her skin tone. Mix that, and there you have it. You have a perfect foundation routine for that client, for the brand that you only use, you regularly use, not a brand that you never used before. Number three, lighting or ring light. You need to have the perfect ring light. No, I'm not telling you to go out and buy the expensive ring light. Sometimes natural light is perfect, but sometimes you never know with Mother Nature. The sun go down or the weather is not behaving itself like how we want it to be. You understand what I mean? So I really suggest that you invest in affordable ring light, because sometimes it's up to you. You do makeup early in the morning, like sometimes 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, and the lighting outside isn't that perfect. Or sometimes when you go to a client's home, or if you go to a wedding or you go somewhere and freelance, and that client have a very bad lighting, it's bad. It's really bad. You can't even see what you're doing, and especially when it comes to the foundation application. Allow me to demonstrate. So this is perfect lighting. I'm going to put it up for you. Okay, now this is my lighting right now, my natural lighting, the lighting inside my house. So imagine I have to put a foundation trusting this light. From the time I put it back on, I was like, wait a minute, I look like orange. Well, I look really white. So that's a perfect example. You need to have lighting everywhere you go, because sometimes, once again, you do light in the early morning and in the late night, and you need some light for foundation application. It's in the middle of the night and the dogs are still barking. In the day, but in the night, oh my God, go sleep. Tip number 4, your makeup kit. Now, your makeup kits, you need to start very, very slow. You really need to start with affordable makeup and get comfortable with it, because you don't want to buy the high-end makeup and then it's not working for you, and then you're stuck with high-end makeup that you do not like. You need to start with that suits your budget, I should say, and something that you're comfortable with. And that is what you need to practice on. You practice on your clients, and then you need to move on to the higher products. I will tell you, Revlon and Maybelline really do have really good foundation than the higher end. Even the setting powder, the Sasha and the Maybelline is affordable, and then the higher end you have the Anastasia, the Laura Mercier is the higher end, and it's expensive, but it's really good products, but it's what suits your budget. So you really need to start slow and don't go straight into the higher end makeup. 5, you need to know the pricing and travel fee. Now, if you have drugstore affordable makeup, you cannot charge your clients expensive. That's not right at all. You understand? You really need to start. The first time I was coming out, I wasn't charging for makeup. Then I moved to $20 doing makeup. That's how low I was. So you need to start off with something like that, and then when you feel comfortable and you master your makeup and you're beating people's face or client's face, move up your price a little bit more when you feel comfortable and you know you can do better. So you need to price them affordable but not too expensive. Now, when it comes to travel fee, never forget travel fee. Never forget to include travel fee if you're a freelancer. For example, if you go in somewhere like 5 o'clock in the morning to do a makeup application, you know you have to be up by 1 o'clock, get ready by 2:30. You have to be on the road to go to a different city. Do you know that? It don't matter if it's in the morning, afternoon, or night. It's a different city that you go in, even further than that you go in. So you always need to remember to charge for travel fee. It's important to charge for travel fee if you're freelancing. Tip number 6. Promote your brand. You need to promote your brand on all social media. There is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp. You need to get your family members and friends involved into promoting your brand as well. If your family member not supporting, your friends not supporting, it's okay, girl. You got this. You can do it on your own. You can be your own marketing for your own brand as a solo artist. Guys, I'm giving you the tea. You can. I've been a solo entrepreneurship as a makeup artist for 14 years. Yes, guys, I celebrated my 14 years April 1st, and I've been a solo entrepreneurship for 14 years. I am my own customer service. I am my own marketing. Everything about the brand is myself. So if you don't have family member, it's okay. You don't have friends, it's okay. It starts with you, girl. Trust me, it starts with you. And you need to get up to date in marketing your brand, because back in the day all you do is post picture. Now, girl, things has changed. Now TikTok is a new way to promote your brand, or make videos like TikTok, the transition, or you can take before and after picture. People love to see before and after picture, so you can also use that. And also you can even have special, guys. Don't be afraid of having special. You can have Christmas, New Year's, Easter, Valentine's, summer, Carnival. I'm from the Caribbean. You can have Carnival special. You can have festival special, you can have Independence Day special. Always have special. When you have special, people come in and know about it, and they'll be continue being your number one customer. Trust me, I see it work all the time. So you don't be afraid of having special. And also, yeah, I think I really getting in there with you guys. The next thing, know how to deal with difficult clients. Now this one now this one, I do come across it very rare, but I do come across it. My first one was a mother and daughter. The mother was more difficult than the client itself, but out of respect and understanding and knowing what they want and do not want, I completely understand that. I have clients, she completely turned the whole soft glam into a basic glam. Also, I understand that. But my advice to you, when you have a difficult client and she wants and do not want this and want that, every application that you do on the client, you stop, you show her the mirror, and you ask her if that is okay. You do the brows, yes, yes. You do the eyeshadow, yes, yes. But with the eyeshadow, every eyeshadow you do, you show it to her. Lash, yes, yes. Foundation, yes, yes. Concealer, every application you do on that particular client's face, you show it to her. Believe me, you do not want to do a complete face, show the client and have a upset client and she says she do not like that, to remove it and start again, or a particular step that you do she do not like, and then you have to wash out the entire makeup just for you to do that particular step. It's better, it's more longer that way, but it's better to have a happy and satisfied customer than having a customer that will wash up your entire look. Trust me guys, that's how I deal with difficult customer. When I realize she's difficult, I stop at every application. It's cool. Now it's up to you if you want to go school, but I didn't go school at all. I still didn't go school for makeup artistry. I learned on my own by watching YouTube and practicing on friends, family, loved ones, on myself, and that's how I learned, and I still learning like that. Some people go school. I know some states or some country, before you doing any makeup application, and you have to go cosmetology school, you need to get a state license and so much more. So that is understandable. Some places, especially in the Caribbean, you don't need to. You can just go ahead and do makeup for people. So it depends on you and what you like to do. Now the number 9 it's okay to say no. Now this is very important. When a client comes to you and they want that particular look, and you know to yourself you cannot create that particular look, you need to say no. Trust me, you need to say no. Please do not go and try that particular look for the client and is something completely different. It's better to say no than to get an upset client. Trust me, it's okay to say no, you cannot do that particular look. The client will respect you more for that. Tip number 10, the last tip, the last one. Always try other service or field. Okay, that is another important tip for you. If you want to become a full-time makeup artist, it's okay. If business is booming, steady, every day you fully book, you busy, then it's okay. But still at the same time, I think it's best that you should have a side hustle. Please guys, please have a side hustle. Meaning like you can sell lash, you can sell eyeshadow, you can sell lip gloss, you can make a whole cosmetic brand with that field that you're doing. It's always best to have a side hustle, especially here in the Caribbean. Generally, most clients only do makeup occasionally: wedding, graduation, prom, birthday, and the same seasonal. You have Valentine's, Christmas, New Year's. People do makeup occasionally. So when makeup is slow for you, you have other income coming in that is stable for you. please guys, get into the side hustle. Do not leave your main job to only do makeup, and makeup is not successful for you or not stable enough for you. You need to at least have a side hustle. Do not get into makeup and then things are very slow for you. If you want to sell cinnamon roll, bread, what you call it, keychain, and no matter what is your side hustle, get into it. Do not make only makeup or makeup application be your main job. Side hustle is important. Make that money. Trust me guys, make that money. Do not get fully into makeup. Do not leave your job yet for fully into makeup. Side hustle is important. Side hustle. Finally tell you, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was very helpful for you. You learned something, one or two, you know. I was really in there and getting in. I can feel it. But I've been asked some of these questions a lot, so I decided to make a video. But this YouTuber Julie really inspired me to make a video like it, so I'm very happy to share. I'm very happy to share it with you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for what's popping with Chanelly 767. Peace, love always. Bye.